Right, welcome back to the basics. Let's have a quick look at the clone stamp tool and how you can get started with it. So you can see we're in Photoshop. We've got an image here that I want to essentially use the clone stamp tool on. So we start by selecting the layer down on the right here and then select the clone stamp tool on the left. It's this one here, and if you can't see that, just right click and it's there. And then the thing I'm getting rid of is this bird in the sky, so I'm just going to zoom in with Control plus and then move up to it with spacebar and then drag. And then once we've got that selected, I'm going to adjust my brush size with Alt and left click and drag that left or right. Obviously if you're on Mac it's not Alt, it's Command, but you'll know that. And then to select the sample area that I'm going to use to essentially patch over the thing I want to cover up, it's going to be Alt or Command again and then left click. So you can see my cursor's here. I want to use the sky, so I'm just left clicking there. And then you just paint over essentially the thing you want to cover up. Now if you see the crosshair, like the little plus in the middle of the screen there, or not in the middle of the screen but just to the right of the brush, that is like a live feed of where we're taking essentially the sample from to cover up. So be careful with that, because let's say we wanted to patch something in the sky here. If I started patching, and if you watch as I drift over with the little plus into the trees, it'll start painting the trees. So what you want to do by then is you would want to select a new sample area so that you would then not go over into the trees, and you could sort of patch through like that. And that was a very basic introduction to the clone stamp tool, how you can get started with it, how you can start using it. And yeah, just this series is called the basics for a reason. It is just the basics, and there's a lot more to it further down the line once you're sort of used to it. As per usual, like I said, this channel's not about me telling you how great I am, because I am not the be all and end all of photography and post-production. So leave me some tips, some recommendations in the comments. Let me know, let's talk, let's discuss and progress together. If you want to see more videos like this, check out my other content, subscribe so you can see upcoming tutorials and things like that, and shoot days or whatever. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out my socials, there's links below there at ShotsFromJoe. I really appreciate you watching, and hopefully I'll see you soon.